Hi everyone, on this tutorial video, we are going to be going over some ways on how you can engage and foster connection with other people that are participating in the annual conference. So there are a few different ways to do this. I'm going to go ahead and start here over on the left side menu and click on people. So when I click on this is going to show me kind of a directory of all of the people that are attending or registered for the conference. So of course this list isn't complete yet, but you can go through here and let's say, for example, I want to introduce myself to Riham. So I'm going to go ahead and click on her profile and I'm going to click on message. Now, Riham is going to get a notification that I message her, and this is going to be similar to something like Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and you can see that it's clicked to Riham there, and I'm just going to say, hello, Riham. And then you're going to go ahead and click this little airplane button and hit send. So as you can see, it sent the chat here to Riham, and Riham's going to get a notification that I chat with her right up here in the notifications tab. And if I want to video chat with her, like I mentioned in the other video, I'll go ahead and click this camera button. There is some other opportunities here to click on chats. So as you can see, this chat bar is basically going to show me a record of all of the people that I have chatted with. So maybe I was chatting with someone and we had a lunch break or something. I can click on this chats little menu over here to go back to my messages, and I can go back in here and reference, the things that we've talked about, our conversations. Another thing I wanted to point out is that this system will not allow you to just chat anyone without them accepting. So when someone chats me, I'm going to go ahead and get a notification. You can see, for example, Rick wants to connect with you. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And I do need to accept that before I can message him. So it's similar to Facebook where you kind of have to be friends in order to chat. So that is a great feature too. So that way you don't, just get any random chats from people that you don't know.